Hello, my name is Jason. I'm here to talk to you about advancing personalized learning through the design for a new engineering building for our campus. According to the National Academy of Engineering, personalized learning is instruction that is tailored to a student's individual needs. But I prefer the definition given by Janet Piddick, a curriculum director from McGraw-Hill Education. She defines personalized learning as a process of making decisions to balance the trifecta of learning design, proficiency goals, and the practicalities of the classroom. I prefer this definition because I feel that it better addresses the areas that need to be tended to in order to advance personalized education. Some of the options currently available in the field of personalized learning are web-based education systems, recommender systems, and playlists. My design is quite simple. It gives wall-to-wall workspace so that students can actively engage in the material that they are learning. Along with this, there will also be computers equipped with kinetic sensors in every classroom. The students will log onto the computers at the beginning of the class, and then the sensor will record their movements in order to see how well they pay attention to different forms of teaching. This will run through a program that will relay the information to the student to tell them what their learning style is, and this program will be partnered with a recommender system that will recommend exercises and practice material to the student that best matches their learning style. The best thing about this program is that it uses a genetic algorithm, so it'll grow with the student and will allow them to learn in a way that suits them for each of their different classes and sections that they are in. My design uses existing software, but is innovative in how it connects a student's learning style to material that they can study and practice. It overcomes the limitation of traditional methods of learning that use the one technique to teach all approach. This is a basic rundown of how the sensor relays information to classify the type of learning style. This will then be paired with the recommender system. The recommender system will take into consideration what your learning style is and recommend practice and informative sites that are best suited to your learning style. There are 5 criteria that my team and I felt needed to be addressed when taking on the challenge of designing a new engineering building that would advance personalized learning. The first and most important to us was to have a design that allowed students to learn according to their learning style. The program that would be installed in the classrooms does exactly this. Following that, we decided that an engineering building would not be complete without the latest and greatest technology and programs for students and instructors to utilize. This is why we added new top-of-the-line computers into every single classroom, along with all the software that an engineer could ever need. After that comes a focus in STEM. The design needs to be able to improve learning in STEM courses. The software that we would be implementing is useful for any field, but gives such valuable feedback that I think it would be very useful to the students. The design should also allow for more interaction between the students and should allow for more flexibility in the design of the learning environment. The new technology can be used to interact with others, but there's definitely room for improvement in this area. Finally, we thought that the best way to measure if the design was effective in helping personalize learning was to have students fill out a survey to see if they felt that they had done better. This design does not necessarily guarantee improved scores, but being able to tailor students' learning like this is definitely a great advancement in which they can learn and what they can retain. Thanks for watching!